Hydrating Conditioner. This protein-free conditioner is perfect for protein-sensitive hair to help leave your hair soft and silky after shampooing, formulated for all hair types. Mongongo Oil Collection. This collection is our most versatile line of haircare products. For those seeking to hydrate, repair, and protect their hair with every hairstyle, our Mongongo Oil hair products are made for you, designed for all hair types. Hair products for all hair types. We promote the health and maintenance of natural hair from types 3A to 4C natural hair. However, our products are suitable for all hair types and we feature products for both low and high porosity levels. Natural hair care. We continue to produce quality natural hair care products like oils, detanglers, shampoo, conditioners, moisturizers and more that help nourish hair through all three phases of growth. Women-owned. With a heavy emphasis on incorporating organic ingredients being its route to results, Mielle Organics continues to create a line of natural beauty products by women for women of all hair types. Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Collection. Our most versatile line of haircare products. For those seeking to hydrate, repair, and protect their hair with every hairstyle, our Mongongo Oil hair products are made for you. The intense hydration will take your curly hair to new heights and will help you achieve the healthy shine you are searching for. Not to mention the added benefits of smoothing frizz will have your curly hair practically screaming for more. Our Mongongo collection is designed for all hair types, which is why it also makes the perfect gift for your girlfriends. Top reviews from the United States. Great for protein-sensitive hair. I have protein-sensitive hair. Anyone who deals with the same thing knows how difficult it is to find a good moisturizing product without protein. Well, I finally found it. My hair loves it lol, smells nice and is not too heavy, doesn't weigh my hair down. FYI, I have thick wavy color treated hair.